Hi, I'm Jordan. I've traveled the world documenting all sorts of community endeavors. From rural primary schools and orphanages to disaster relief, I've learned that above all, music, video, and creative collaboration transcends borders and connects us all globally. Part of Perception Travel's mission has been to demonstrate the different ways we can spread creative connection in the world. Children everywhere are super excited to play music and hang out with people from somewhere else. So that's why we got the idea for this project now. A group of us will travel to Kenya to hang out with the youth, play music and practice yoga together, share regional foods and cooking, and have fun making videos. I was lucky enough to play with video cameras all the time as a kid, and I think kids everywhere should have that chance as well. We've got the team, a local community, and partner NGO. All that's missing is your support. Your contribution supports the creative empowerment of these youth and the broadcasting of global collaboration through the media we create. Thank you.